This is the Trade Shop in North London. The customers here today are shopping for clothes and accessories. But this shop doesn't sell new clothes. These clothes are second-hand. Trade is a charity. People give the charity their old clothes. Trade sells the clothes in their shops and spends the money helping people. Magda and Kathy work at Trade. They are always busy. This morning, Kathy is helping customers and Magda is tidying the shop. The clothes in the Trade shop are cheap and colourful. You can buy men's and women's clothes here. They sell trousers, shirts, skirts, jackets, and shoes too. But some of the clothes they sell in the Trade shop are special. These are Trade remade clothes. Trade make these fashionable new clothes using old clothes. "90 kilometers away from the London shop, in a studio in Brighton on the south coast of England, Zoe is making the Trade remade clothes.
My name is Zoe. I make clothes for Trade Remade and I live in Brighton.
Zoe makes all kinds of new clothes using the old clothes that people give to the charity.
We make skirts and dresses and shirts, and for the winter we also make jumpers and sweatshirts.
This dress was a shirt. This woman's shirt was a man's shirt. Zoe's days are very busy. Her studio is full of old clothes, fabric, and thread.
I start work at 9 a.m. in the morning and I finish at 5 p.m. in the afternoon.
Today, Zoe is making some blue skirts. Zoe always listens to music at work. Today, she's listening to the radio. Zoe is sewing very quickly. She's very good at sewing. She can make 5 skirts in a day. Every day at 10:30, Zoe stops work for a short break. Today, Zoe's having a coffee and writing an email to a friend. She doesn't stop for long. There's a lot of work to do. And Zoe loves her job.
I like that I can spend all day sewing.
And Zoe knows that all her hard work is helping other people too.